මින්නසන් කොනිචිවා අද අපි මොනවද ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ? අද අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ ජපන් භාෂාවේන ක්‍රියාපද. මේ විදිහට ඔයාලට ජපන් ක්‍රියාපද ලේසියෙන්ම මතක තියාගන්න පුළුවන්. අයිමස් හමු වෙනවා. අකෙමස් විවෘත කරනවා. අගෙමස් දෙනවා. අසොබිමස් සෙල්ලම් කරනවා. අබිමස් නානවා. අරයිමස් සෝදනවා. අරුකිමස් ඇවිදිනවා. චිගයිමස් වෙනස් වෙනවා. දෙකකෙමස් එළියට යනවා. ඊමස් කියනවා. ඉකිමස් යනවා. උතයිමස් ගායනා කරනවා. උමාරෙමස් උපදිනවා. උරිමස් විකුණනවා. ඔකිමස් නැගිටිනවා. කිරිමස් කපනවා. ඔකුරිමස් යවනවා. ඔෂිමස් තල්ලු කරනවා. ඔබොයෙමස් මතක් කරනවා. ඔයොගිමස් පීනනවා. ඔරිමස් අහකට යනවා. කකිමස් ලියනවා. කකෙමස් කෝල් ගන්නවා. කශිමස් ණය දෙනවා. කරිමස් ණය ගන්නවා. වසුරෙමස් අමතක වෙනවා. වතශිමස් බාර දෙනවා. වතරිමස් හරස් කරනවා. වකරිමස් තේරුම් ගන්නවා. කිකිමස් අහනවා. කිරිමස් කපනවා.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Kanishka Pereira, the founder and owner of SM Japanese Language Center. It's a great honor to speak with you today and share the story of my journey and the work we do at our institute. SM Japanese Language Center is a place where dreams come true for many Sri Lankans who want to learn Japanese, connect with Japan's culture, and open new doors to opportunities. How it all started. When I started this institute, my dream was simple. It is to help people in Sri Lanka learn Japanese in the best way possible. I wanted to make it easy for them to connect with Japan, not just through language, but also through its rich culture. Over the years, SM Japanese Language Center has grown from a small beginning into one of the most well-known Japanese language schools in Sri Lanka. We were awarded as the best Japanese language school and teacher in 2024 at the People's Awards. Also, our institution was awarded as the best Japanese language teacher and Japanese Language Institute at the 2025 Asian Akivas Awards. We now have 3 branches. Head office in Yakkala, another in Kundasale Kandy, and another in Ja-Ela. And also in Japan. This growth has been possible because of the trust and support of our students, parents and community. What we have achieved. Our institute, in looking back, I feel very proud of what we have accomplished. So far, We have helped over 10,000 students pass the Japanese language proficiency test, also called Jlpt. These students have gone on to study in jobs in Japan, get scholarships, and build successful careers. But we don't just focus on exams. We also organize cultural events, workshops, and exchange programs that give students a chance to experience the beauty of Japanese traditions, like tea ceremonies and festivals. These activities help them understand and appreciate Japan's way of life, helping students achieve their dreams. What makes me happiest is seeing how learning Japanese changes our students' lives. Some of them have gone to top universities in Japan. Others have found great job opportunities. Every success story reminds me why I started this journey. We have also worked hard to make our courses interesting and easy to follow, using methods that fit Sri Lankan learners. This way, everyone feels confident and excited to learn, building bridges between Sri Lanka and Japan. Our work is not just about teaching language. It is about bringing two cultures closer together. By helping people understand Japanese culture, we create strong bonds between Sri Lanka and Japan. These connections are important because they lead to better relationships and more opportunities for both countries. We also work with Japanese schools, universities, and organizations to give our students even more chances to grow and learn. By building these bridges, we are recreating a brighter future for everyone involved. Our vision for the future. As I look ahead, I see so much more we can do. We want to reach even more people across Sri Lanka and make Japanese language education available to everyone. We are also planning new programs for professionals and younger students, so more people can benefit from learning Japanese. Another dream of mine is to help more students go to Japan through scholarships, internships, and working visa programs. This way, they can experience Japanese life firsthand and build successful careers. Thank you. None of this would have been possible without the amazing support we have received. To our students, parents, and my hard-working team, I want to say a big thank you. Your trust and encouragement mean the world to me and inspire me to keep working harder every day. As I end my speech, I want to invite all of you to join us on this journey. Whether you are a student, a parent, or someone who supports our mission, you can help us make a difference. Together, we can create a world where education and culture bring people closer. Thank you so much for giving me this chance to share my story. It is a privilege to stand here today and talk about the achievements of SM Japanese Language Center. Let's keep growing, learning, and inspiring each other. Thank you.